The final part, also known as Episode 6. Why is Bailey barking? It makes me have a headache. I know, because Pirate Parrot needs you to be quiet. La 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 la. Oh my gosh, now he's just being annoying, okay? I just don't know what to do. Try to get in my way. I don't even know what to do, but he just... I got the boy! You think you can underestimate my power? Basically, Pirate Parrot needs you always to be quiet. Ow, my butt. This is what you get for kidnapping me and Yoshi. Bailey Martin! Ow. What you gonna do now? I still have all the Chaos Emeralds. He just keeps getting away. Oh, I wish Bailey kept barking, but I don't want to hear it anymore. Whoa! I'm gonna go shut the door. You guys keep fighting. Eggman, this is the end. What do you think you're doing? I am so mad at you right now. Oh, you think Pirate Parrot thinks that you're mad at me? Well, I'm more angrier than you are. Get out! Same Pirate Parrot. You try to get in my way. It's too late. He's gone. Silver, is this what the future looks like? Yes. This was the future. Pirate Parrot and Eggman. Eggman lost, but we still won, which is great, but Pirate Parrot, he needs to escape. Pirate Parrot lost, but it's time. Come on, movie Sonic. All right. Silver. Fine. Wait. I I see something. I don't want nobody seeing me, but see ya later. Pirate Parrot is still alive. We won, but this Eggman thing is ended. We won, but he's still gonna get the Paradox Prism. For real. Yeah. 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 This is the end. Well, I saw you guys a bunch of times. Yep. You guys are definitely better than Eggman. Well, thank you, Spider-Man. Yeah, I appreciate it. But the Paradox Prism, Eggman's gonna get it. Our world, Plush World, it's gonna end soon. Tomorrow. A new SS Season 2 video is tomorrow. Pirate Parrot, the short film.